Alright, hello folks. Let's see here. We've got a new assignment coming up. We've got our small engines project that we are going to be working on. You will be given a sheet that looks similar to this that is titled Small Engines Project. Important note, this sheet must be turned in with your final project. So this will be the cover page to your sheet. And let's start going through this, and we will let you kind of explore on your own here. One of the first things you're going to do is, hopefully you've made it this far by the sheet, you're going to go to my channel and you're going to be watching this video. So hopefully you're already here to step 2, you're watching this video. But next I want to talk to you a little bit about logging into Edpuzzle. Maybe you've used this in another class, but we're going to be using it here for a couple of videos on this particular deal. So let's take a look. I'm going to open up a web browser here that I have, and let's find Edpuzzle, and let's actually log out of this so I can log back in, and let's do it this way. So Edpuzzle, search it up, and we wait. Nope. Let's log out. Okay, here we go. So you're going to get here, and if you have used it before, you can go ahead and log in with your login. Otherwise, let's say you are a new student, you're going to go ahead and put in your first name, last name, username, and password. Okay. I've already created an account using my son's information, so we will do this. Okay, so once you get in, you will it'll ask you to join a class. And over here, if it's your first time, it'll come up in the beginning. You're going to enter the class code. You can see over here our class code is this ZEITAOR. You'll also find that on your sheet. You'll enter that there, and then it will bring up to AgMech 2 period 5 with my name there, Randy Lund. Alright, so next, one of the things I want you to do is this particular class, you guys are not working on MIG welding yet, but we are working on this, how Briggs & Stratton 4-cycle engines work. You're going to watch this video, and when you start watching this video, you will notice that there are several questions, 7 to be exact, that you must answer along the way. There's no skipping, so please watch this video. It will be helpful, I think, for you. So you're going to watch that video and answer all those questions. Alright, let's go back. Let's find my document. Here we go. After that, you're going to go to my YouTube channel, and I have one more video that's going to be titled Troubleshooting Small Engines. And I'm going to give a little lecture on that, and I want you to be looking through that document as well. This final assignment is actually going to be a written assignment, and it's going to be a tutorial in a sense. You're going to be writing this as if you were talking or discussing small engines to someone who has never worked on a small engine, never had to troubleshoot a small engine before. Your paper should be detailed and highlight all the information that you have learned so far about small engines. I want you to use those videos as references, and I also want you to look up additional references and videos maybe on YouTube to help you write this paper. However, I do have 3 things, and these should be your body paragraphs of your paper. These are the following topics. A basic overview of how the 4-stroke engine works. That first video on Edpuzzle will be a great resource for that paragraph. Next is you're going to go over some of the basic steps of troubleshooting a 4-stroke engine. That'll be body paragraph 2. And then the final one would be, what are those more complex steps of troubleshooting a 4-stroke engine? Alright, this will be a standard 5-paragraph essay format. You will be using 12-point Times New Roman font, and the paper should be set with double spacing for your paragraphs throughout the paper. Look down here. This project is worth 150 points. This will significantly impact your grade should you choose not to complete this assignment. You will have plenty of time to be working on this in class. as well as using time outside of class wisely. Here you'll see the rubric that I will use to grade you. Edpuzzle video, completing that, yes, I can see it, is worth 25 points. Your content of what you actually write is worth 75 points. Your formatting is worth 25 points. And yes, spelling does count in life. Spelling and grammar, 25 points. That comes up to a total of 150 points. This project, as you can see right here, is due March 4th. That is a Friday, about 2 weeks from now, and that project will be due. All right, good luck. Ask questions if you need to. Use your time wisely.